Hey, how you doing? Jeff Amen here. All right, so this video on hashing ad space is going to be about what I find to be the most powerful advertising on the site. I've tried out several of the advertising products, so I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly which ones are working the best so you can grow your business with hashing ad space. But if you want to learn, get a complete overview, learn hashing ad space in and out, learn how you can not only advertise successfully with hashing ad space, but you can also earn cryptocurrency very, very easily and even for free with hashing ad space. Click the link in the description. All right, in the link in the description, I have a full-blown hashing ad space course that you can go through, and I'm going to walk you through earning crypto with hashing ad space. I'm going to walk you through advertising with hashing ad space. This is very real. The Asimi token is a cryptocurrency that is here to stay, and I predict that it is going to it's going to go up in the future. So now is definitely the time to jump on hashing ad space for not only great advertising, but to earn some cryptocurrency. All right, guys. So click the link in the description after you finish watching this video and check out the course. All right, we'll talk soon. All right, here we are in hashing ad space, and before I get into it, I realize that a lot of you guys are coming to hashing ad space for different reasons. Some of you are coming for advertising, some of you are coming to earn. I personally originally joined hashing ad space for the advertising. I have my own business, and then once I got into it and I saw the interface, I saw how easy it was to earn crypto. Well, then that also became a focus. All right. So once again, I want to remind you in the description, there's a free course that I put together that is going to show you how to get some great results with hashing ad space. But by all means, create an account because you can get in and you can start earning some free crypto. And it's my this is a speculation. This is not a promise, but I speculate that the Asimi token will be on the rise. So it's definitely in your best interest to get your hands on some Asimi. Okay. All right. So I'm going to go over the advertising products real quick, and I'm going to show you which one has worked the best for me. All right, so you've got the ad mentor, and this is essentially getting your ad in front of buyers because everybody in the ad mentor has staked some Asimi, and that means that they've made a purchase. All right, so that's very powerful. I'm testing this out. I'm in the early phases with this. So far, it's generated a few leads, but these are very, very high quality leads. Banner advertising, also highly recommended. As you can see, all these banners on the site, this is going to get the attention of everybody logging into the site. So I do recommend the banner advertising. View to earn purchases, you can actually get a ton of traffic really, really quick. As you can see here, I'm in a tracking account. I just did a campaign, ran 5,000 hits and got 8 email leads. All right, and so these were very, very cheap hits too. All right, I believe I paid less than $10, I believe, US dollars. All right, so and got 8 email conversions, which ain't bad. All right, but the big daddy of them all, the most powerful by far, is the login ad. All right, so let me go ahead and go to the advertising portal. I've done one login ad and it just got me crazy results. All right, so let me see if I can go to the ad portal. Let's go. And guys, you remember, when you do a login ad, everybody that logs in for that day, is going to see your ad. All right, so check this out. So 8,926 people saw my ad. All right, that's pretty insane. And I got well over 30 leads from that login ad. All right. So the login ad is very, very powerful, and I'm about to test another login ad with a page that gets a much better opt-in rate. So I think the next login ad that I actually run is probably going to generate me at least 75 to 100 leads, and that just all comes in a day. So if you're promoting anything online, you know, in the crypto space or in the work from home space, anything like that, you know, this is some good advertising. It's a good place to get advertising. It's a good place to earn some cryptocurrency, guys. All right, so you can exchange Asimi. Asimi is of course, I don't want to get too much into this because I've got a complete overview, a complete course going over hashing ad space in the description. But for this video, I just wanted to show you the advertising. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. Make sure to check out the link in the description, and I've got a ton more free training there for you. All right, guys, see you there. Bye.